people and beautiful guests. We welcome you all to the Supercar Rally for a super cause on the occasion of World Cancer Day 2021. 2020 has taught us that our own actions have an impact on everyone around us, within our neighborhoods, communities, cities, and even across borders and oceans. It has taught us the power of collective action. When we all choose to come together, we can achieve anything, including a world free of cancer. So on this world, all of you here today are cancer crusaders and warriors in this fight against cancer. So thank you. Congratulations on completing the drive very safely. I hope this was a completely different feeling compared to a racetrack, right? Doing it for a good cause. So first, I welcome Dr. Vijayanand Reddy, a man who needs no introduction. All of you here already know him, the director of Apollo Cancer Institute, to say a few words.
Hi everyone, I know because of the COVID we could not invite people to come and assemble here. A very good morning to all of you. Thank you very, very much for being here. And it's my humble duty to welcome the chief guest of the day, Miss Catherine. She's such a sweet lady. She has been associated with us in the past also. Not just that she is beautiful, but she's multi-talented. She's an actress, she's a singer, dancer. She does piano, she does skating and whatnot. She is her confidence. She says, I can be good at anything if I put my mind. I love that statement, Catherine. God bless you and thank you for being associated with us. And it's hearty welcome to Malvika Sharma too. She is such a sweetheart. She is also associated with Cure Foundation several times in the past. So sweet of her to come so early today. She started her career as a model in her college in 2017 and she's a brand ambassador for Blue India. And she's been an actress. The first movie is The Ticket, yeah. And the second movie is just released now. That's going to be a hit, I believe, is already a hit. Congratulations and all the very best. And thank you for being associated with us. And I welcome these youngsters, wonderful guys. You are sure you can ask anything from them except asking them to get up early in the morning. And they have shown it today. For a cause, they are ready to do anything. God bless you all so much. With your support, the idea of doing this awareness meeting is to create awareness among youngsters. Cancer is preventable in 75% of the situations. And that need to be cultivated right from childhood. Getting up early and doing 30 to 40 minutes of exercise makes a huge difference. All the 5 major killer diseases, heart attack, blood pressure, paralytic strokes, diabetes, and cancer can be prevented if you do 30 to 40 minutes of exercise, especially in the morning. Eating some salad, green leaf vegetables, and have a fruit with every meal that has got plenty of naturally available antioxidants which definitely would protect you from cancer and other 5 major diseases. And also never ever start smoking or chewing tobacco. That's a killer substance. You should never ever start. Don't get into the company of those people who smoke or chew tobacco and never get habituated to it. But it's never not too late. Even if you are a smoker, quit smoking and chewing tobacco. And as far as the adults are concerned, you need to get screening done to detect the cancer early. And if you detect cancer early, you all know 90-95% of the cases we cure them. And finally, don't run away from getting diagnosed of cancer. Cancer is very, very much curable. Millions and millions of people have been cured of cancer and they're leading a normal life. Without much ado, I'll hand it over to Dr. Karan to carry on with this. Thank you very much, and I sincerely thank my colleagues and friends, the oncology team standing behind me. They've always been with us. Thank you. The thanks part, Karan is going to take care, so I leave to him. And welcome to all the press people. Thank you very much for coming so early in the morning to cover the event.
So, Dr. Vijayan Reddy has already given very beautiful introduction of both of you, but I'll try to do my best again. Our chief guest of the day, who has done more than 20 South Indian films in Tamil, Kannada, Malayalam, and of course Telugu, from playing an MLA in Sarayanodu with Allu Arjun, a businesswoman in Nene Raju, Nene Mantri, she has won all our hearts and of all the public and the critics. She is known as Tollywood's It Girl. I invite the beautiful Miss Catherine Teresa to say a few words.
Good morning, everybody. Thank you to all the members of the press for coming here to cover this important event so early on a Sunday morning. Thank you to all you guys for bringing your cars and for starting at Necklace Road at 7:30 a.m. Thank you for supporting this cause. Also, thank you to Dr. Vijay Anand Reddy for inviting me to be a part of this event. As doctors already mentioned, cancer is extremely preventable. It is preventable in 75% of the cases that he has seen. And what is really important, the purpose of this particular event is to create awareness. It is to tell all of you that cancer can be prevented. It is just about making the right lifestyle choices. Please start incorporating a lot of fruits and vegetables in your food. Try not to deep fry your food. That just kills it. Try not to microwave your food. And of course, limit alcohol consumption and absolutely say no to tobacco. I also think that we should not shy away from regular screening, as doctor has mentioned. Do have a checkup every 6 months or at least once a year, because I think it can be prevented or it can be treated if you detect it in its early stages. So please take care of that as well. And also do know that there are vaccines available for 2 types of cancer, cervical and liver. So please get yourself vaccinated as well. Once again, thank you to Apollo Cancer Institute and Dr. Vijay Anand Reddy for inviting me here. And I hope you guys have a brilliant day.
Guest of honor, we have someone very special here with us. Someone who started off as a model and a social media influencer, who has now close to 1 million followers, lawyer by profession, a classical dancer by passion, an actor. This woman has no limits to what she can achieve. Please welcome the beautiful, the beauty with brains, Ms. Malvika Sharma. I request her to say a few words.
Hi. First of all, thank you Vijay Anand sir, and thank you Karan sir, and thank you Apollo Hospital for inviting me here. And I would like to thank everyone who is present here for gracing this event with your presence. And yeah, so as Vijay sir has already explained you a lot about the prevention and the cause for cancer, I myself have seen family members from my grandfather and my uncle who has suffered from cancer, and I have seen how much they used to smoke, or I have seen how they have consumed tobacco. So I have seen them getting chemo, I have seen them in the hospitals, I have seen the state exactly. I have been through it because I have been through all the family members and I have seen exactly what happens to them. So one of the things, when I used to go with them to the cancer hospitals, the doctor told me that it's not just about that you are a smoker, it's about passive smoking also. If you are around a smoker, it will affect you. Even though you are not smoking it, passively you are doing it. So I think you should avoid it. There are a lot of your friends, even though you don't do it, there are your friends and your company. You should change your company, I think. And you should avoid being with them when they are smoking, or just move around. And benefit about the exercise and everything. I think exercise is very important, and I myself prefer that I do a lot of workouts, and I do try to take time for yoga, meditation, and my gym and everything. Even though I go to college or anything, I do try to do that. Yeah, so as I was saying about the exercise and your workouts, and yes, the diet is very important, as Catherine has also said and Vijay sir has said. So yeah, that is what I feel, and prevention is possible. And sir has already said that in 75% of the cases prevention is possible. So we should get it detected, and we should work on ourselves, and maybe just love yourself so that you work out, you eat right, you just maintain your health. Thank you so much again for inviting me here. Thank you.
Hello everyone, trying to be safe with COVID. It was a good drive, it was for a good cause, and all of us being on the track and driving all these cars also want to support all these things and be in the fight with all of you. Thank you so much.